This is a real simple basic recipe. I'm Tess, and today I'm making egg salad. I have 6 hard-boiled eggs that I peeled and roughly chopped. You can make the chunks as big or as fine as you like. I'm adding in a little chopped dill pickle, or you can use sweet relish. Adding in a little salt and a pinch of garlic powder. You can also add in some black pepper, parsley, cayenne pepper, or even some horseradish. I'm adding in a little mayonnaise at a time, some mustard, and you can also use Dijon, giving that a good toss. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. Once I get the ratio of egg and mayo that I like, I'm covering this and refrigerating for 1 to 2 hours before serving. Today I'm serving on traditional white bread, but egg salad is also really good on croissants. This recipe makes 3 nice-sized sandwiches and can easily divide into 4. This egg salad is also great in lettuce wraps and also on top of salads. I hope you give this easy and basic egg salad recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!